5 Eyebrow Enhancement Procedures, which is right for you. Despite being a small part of your face, eyebrows can have transformative effects on your overall look. Choosing the right shape can help frame your face and highlight and accentuate your features. To help you decide, you can look through these common eyebrow shapes for men. 1. General maintenance. General maintenance is a must for everyone, no matter what other procedures you do or how you want your brows to look. As the term implies, it includes grooming and cleaning to keep your brows looking full and natural. Trimming and tweezing can be done along with waxing, or alternatively, you can also opt for threading instead. 2. Microblading. Microblading eyebrow embroidery is one of the most popular cosmetic brow procedures today since it creates a natural look. It uses a sharp tool to make small cuts in your brow and implant pigment in the superficial layers. It is perfect if you do not often wear makeup and want to enhance your brows since the technique mimics your natural hair. 3. Microshading. As the name implies, microshading creates a powdered brow look by dotting pigments into your brows. You can create an ombre effect where the shade follows a gradient going light to dark, which is perfect for covering up any brow work that you may want to hide. 4. Eyebrow tinting. If your concern is more focused on your brow color and not necessarily its shape, eyebrow tinting can be a good option. It uses a semi-permanent dye to fill in the light brow hairs that may not be too visible, resulting in a fuller brow. Compared to microblading and microshading, which can last for years, tinting typically only lasts around 6 to 8 weeks. 5. Eyebrow lamination. Eyebrow lamination is quickly gaining more traction in the beauty community as it helps relax and control your brow hairs, which can easily go rogue. The process involves using a setting lotion, fixing solution, and a brow serum to reform your brow hairs and retain the moisture. Eyebrow enhancement has certainly gone a long way from before. That said, with the many procedures that you can try out today, it is important to take the time to learn about each to know what will work best for you based on your needs and preferences.